Hey Gilmore Hawks, it's Miss Amy, and today we're going to do a problem of the day. Here's our problem. Jalen sees 7 bugs. Jessica sees 9 bugs. How many bugs do they see in all? Well, when we're working with a word problem, it's always a great idea to read the problem 2 times. So let's read it again. You can read along with me. Jalen sees 7 bugs. Jessica sees 9 bugs. How many bugs do they see in all? Well, first we have to figure out what the problem is asking. It says, how many bugs do they see in all? Do we need to add or subtract? Well, I know that when I have 2 sets of numbers, and I'm going to be combining those 2 sets to put them together, then I'm going to use addition. For this problem, we're going to do an addition problem. But before we start, I want you to model the problem. You can model by drawing. Take a moment now to pause the video, get out a piece of paper and a pencil, and draw what you see here. I've already gone ahead and drawn my picture, so I'm going to post it for you to see. Here you see 7 spiders, 7 bugs that Jalen sees. And you see 9 ladybugs. This is the number Jessica sees. We want to figure out how many they see in all. I'm going to use a count-on strategy. I know there are 7 bugs here, so I'm going to say 7. No need to recount those. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 16 bugs in all. Did you get 16? Great job. Pat yourself on the back. Now, good mathematicians always show their work 2 different ways to check to make sure that their answer is correct. I'm going to use a double 10 frame to show my work, to check to make sure it is correct. Here you can see I've actually written out my equation or number sentence for this problem. I have 7 bugs, and I have 9 bugs. I'm going to just show you which colors I'm going to use. Take a moment to write out the equation and then draw your 2 double 10 frames. Well, I know that I have 7 bugs that Jalen sees. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out 7 in my first 10 frame. So I know the top one has 5. So I'm going to go ahead and do 5 dots. 5, and then 2 more would be 7. And I know that Jessica saw 9 bugs. We're going to use a different color to make sure we can see how many Jessica saw. I'm going to use orange. Jessica saw 9 bugs. I'm going to complete my first 10 frame before moving to my second. So I have 7 bugs that Jalen saw, and then I need 9 more that Jessica saw. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 and 9. Now I know by looking at the first 10 frame that's all filled out that I have 10. And then I have 6 left over, 5 and 1 more. So I have 10 and 6. 10 and 6 make 16. Great job. See you tomorrow.